Greetings everyone. Welcome to English Talk. Today we will learn a new story named The Rain. Let's get started. The Rain. One day, Eleanor and Hamba Hum were walking through the forest. Suddenly it started to rain. As the rain fell on some small pebbles under a tree, they turned into little monsters and climbed up the tree. Hamba hum, look. Eleanor pointed towards the monsters. Don't stare at them. Walk on without making any noise, said Hamba hum. Eleanor did as he said, but suddenly a tiny monster ran towards her and yelled. The sound was so shrill that she covered her ears with her hands. The next moment, all the tiny monsters started to yell. Both Eleanor and Hamba Hum lay down there covering their ears. We have to wait for rain to stop, said Hamba Hum. Soon rain stopped, and the tiny monsters stopped yelling. One by one they jumped off the tree. When they landed on the ground, they became big. They walked on not even looking at Eleanor and Hamba Hum. Those were the rain monsters. They lie still as pebbles when there is no rain and come to life when rain falls. They will roam the forest for days and then turn into pebbles again. If you like this story or video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.